Sparks, the tips and tricks. Gram-positive bacteria's characteristics can be remembered by using the following trick. Remember a sentence. Taste papaya, pineapple and peanut. Let's cut short it. Taste PPP. Taste start with the TA. TA is for teichoic acid. Teichoic acid is present in gram-positive bacteria. Taste ends with ST. ST is for Staphylococcus and Streptococcus. Both genus are gram-positive bacteria. Now, pineapple, papaya, and peanut. These three P's are for primary stain, peptidoglycan, and purple color. Gram-positive bacteria can retain the color of primary stain, that is, the color of crystal violet. Hence, even after washing with acetone or alcohol, it remains in purple color. So, first two P's are for primary stain and purple color. And the third P is for peptidoglycan. In gram-positive bacteria, thick and predominant layer of peptidoglycan is present. First P is for primary stain, second P is for purple color, and third P is for peptidoglycan. Then how will we connect this spark with the gram-positive bacteria? The word positive starts with the P. Now let's finish the spark as taste peanut, papaya and pineapple positively.